We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. We're so motivated to hear from such happy customers. We work with each client individually to reach our 5-star customer service goal. Our approach really is one customer at a time. It's that simple. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.